Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will really end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं that this battle is not easy. ठीक होने के बाद भी breathlessness and fatigue जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमें प्रॉपरली रिकवर नहीं होने देती. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. स्लो, कंट्रोल्ड एंड इजी टू फॉलो मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस विल इंप्रूव लंग कैपेसिटी, लीविंग यू फीलिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड बेटर. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो गाइस, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है शोल्डर सर्कल्स. हैंग योर आर्म्स डाउन ऑन द साइड, लिफ्ट योर शोल्डर्स अप टू मेक अ सर्कल. 8 सर्कल्स इन वन डायरेक्शन. Eight circles in the opposite direction. And relax. Up next, guys, is our arm stretch. Interlock your fingers, stretch your arms straight out, bringing your shoulder blades away from each other. And pull back, repeat. And relax. Up next, guys, is dynamic side dips. Lift your arms up, bent at the elbows, holding the opposite elbow, and dip on the side. Relax. Up next, guys, is wrist flexion to extension. Extend your arms in the front, bring your palms down and up. Relax. Up next, guys, is a few neck movements, starting with neck left to right. And relax. Up next, guys, head tilts. Next up, guys, is head nods. Try to synchronize your breathing. Breathe in as you lift your chin up and breathe out as you drop your chin in toward the chest. Relax. Next up, guys, is sitting good mornings. Get your hands up near your forehead, elbows wide open. Take a deep breath in, keeping your spine straight. Breathe out as you lower down, and breathe in as you lift up. And relax. Next up, guys, is knee to elbow oblique twists. Again, hands on the side of your head. Twist your torso as you bring your elbow to the opposite knee. Relax. Next up, guys, is sit to stand. Hands in front of you. Take a deep breath in as you keep your back straight and lift up. Breathe out as you drop down. And relax. Next up, guys, is our standing calf lifts. Hands on your waist, deep breath in as you lift your heels up, balancing on the toes. Relax. Finally, guys, standing groiners. Hands on the waist again. Make 4 circles in one direction. And 4 circles in the opposite direction. If balance is an issue, you can always use a wall and a chair to support your body. Let's repeat it on the other side. And 4 in the opposite. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है परिव्रता आसन, also known as the Shiva twist. Stand with feet comfortable. If balance is an issue, please keep a chair next to you so that you can support yourself. Lift your right leg up, bending at the knee, bringing it to the side, and hold. And relax. Repeating Parivrata Asana on the other side, the Shiva twist. Bringing your left leg up, bending at the knee. Our next asana today is Utthita Kapot Asana, also known as extended one-legged pigeon. इसे हम start करेंगे sitting position में. Bend your right leg in, left leg all the way back. Balance with your hands. Take a deep breath in. As you bring your arms in front of you, touching the forehead to the ground, holding for 10 to 15 seconds. And slowly relax. Repeating on the other side. Left leg in the front, bending outwards, right leg all the way back, foot relaxed, deep breath in, breathe out, bringing your forehead to the ground. Take a deep breath in and relax. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है पूर्वोत्तन आसन, also known as the inclined plane pose. इसे हम करेंगे. Start in the seated position. Hands behind your back, legs straight, touching the heels. Keeping your legs locked, lift your torso and your hip up and hold. And relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अर्ध शलभासन, also known as the half locust pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में. So go ahead and lie down on your belly. Bring your hands underneath, tuck them underneath your belly. Lift your right leg straight up and support it with your left foot. And relax. Repeating the half locust on the other side, keeping your left leg straight. Lift up, supporting the leg with your right foot. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स and I hope that you enjoyed them. अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises. आज का हमारा फर्स्ट प्राणायाम है belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. So go ahead and lie down on your back. Keep your knees slightly bent. Shoulder blades relaxed. Right hand right underneath the ribs. Left hand on your belly. Breathe in through the nose And as you breathe in, feel your belly expanding and pushing against your hands. Breathe out through the mouth and feel the belly falling down towards the ground, towards your spine. You can perform this exercise for 2 to 4 minutes. So guys, आज का last pranayam exercise है शीतली प्राणायाम, also known as the cooling breath. इसे हम करेंगे 2 to 4 minutes तक. Breathe in through the mouth with your lips apart and teeth clenched. Breathe out through the nose normally. Breathing exercises karte karte, if you feel out of breath, please rest and you can always resume again later. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you enjoyed them. Remember that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is more important than perfection. Please subscribe to the Dainik Savera YouTube channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.